Example 3. After looking at this graph, we are going to use the given point on the graph to determine the equation of this line in the point-slope form. Let's start this process by finding the location of the given point, which is all the way here at the top of our graph, with our x and y axes nicely labeled so that we can read our location real nice and clean. We can determine that this point is located with an x value of -6 and a y value all the way at +10. And I don't have a framework to place these numbers into as we did in previous problems. So we're just going to go forward and find the slope. So we know that the slope is always the rise over the run. And we're going to do that using 2 clean coordinate points. So where are they? We have one right here that they gave to us. We may use that. We have a second clean coordinate point right there. Boy, some of these lines, some are looking so close to being right there in the corner, but not exactly. So you really do need to be careful just to see exactly where they're located. All right. So now that I have a small selection of coordinate points to work with, let's see what we've got. We've got these two. Sure, why not? With our rise and our run. This rise is 4 units. This run is 5 units. But we also see, oh yeah, let's go back and check if this is a positive or negative slope. If you use the little story of the man on the left and he dies, we see that this fellow heard the voices, saw the light, followed his path down, down, down towards hell. That's flames. And this is a negative slope. All right. Now that we know that this is for sure a negative slope, let's write it. We have -4/5 for our slope. Okay, let's build our own framework and then we can fill in the blanks. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. All right, my y1 value, that was +10. My slope, that was -4/5. My x1 value, that's -6. All right, here's our moment of truth. Since we were not given a framework, we had to build it ourselves. We definitely have to check to see about any double negatives that we need to clean up. Let's go through this. Y minus 10, no double negative there, equals -4/5. A slope could be positive or negative, it doesn't matter. And oh, x minus -6. There it is, folks. We have a double negative, and that will be x plus 6. All cleaned up, nice and pretty, ready to go. And there you go.